Lamborghini has just unveiled a one-off special edition of the Huracan STO at the World Finals 2023, and its stunning livery is inspired by the SC63 Le Mans hypercar revealed at Goodwood earlier this year. Created by Lamborghini's Personam Opera Unica division, this is the first road-legal Lambo to get a performance kit created by Sant'Agata's Squadra Corse race engineers, but it surely won't be the last. There are several small changes, and we start with what we can see. The two-tone theme features Verde Mantis, green, and Nero Noctis, black, with a tricolor band running across the roof and the one-piece clamshell hood, known as the cofango. Each door gets a Squadra Corse 10 degrees Anniversario logo, and the Squadra Corse emblem also appears on the car's central fin. Other visual attractions include a full carbon fiber package with a Rosso Mars, red, pinstripe accent. It's difficult to see because of the color scheme in these low-light photos, but the vents in the front hood now have two all-new carbon fiber flicks to help improve downforce at the front. If you alter the aerodynamics of the front, you must usually do the same at the back, and this STO has a rear wing with an angle 3 degrees higher than the production car. We suspect this will slightly affect the top speed, around 192 miles per hour on the standard STO. Lamborghini has also added a set of racing-derived shock absorbers with four-way adjustability for rebound and compression at both high and low frequencies. This system replaces the original active suspension, while new tires developed in collaboration with Bridgestone promise outstanding performance and durability on the track. Finally, an Akrapovic titanium exhaust has been added. Inside, Nero Noctis Alcantara is paired with Verde Fawns stitching for a slightly different take on the body's green and black theme, and the sport seats get 4-point safety belts. An aluminum roll bar, a carbon fiber floor covering, and an exclusive carbon plaque on the rear firewall complete the upgrades. According to Lamborghini Chief Technical Officer Reuven Moore, this is not just a tribute to Lamborghini's racing division, but a concrete demonstration of how experience gained in motorsport can be effectively transferred to the road product. He added that Squadra Corse's know-how is a valuable asset that deserves to be highlighted on unique models and limited road series with a racing vocation, suggesting that more low-volume, racing-inspired special editions are coming. The successor to the Huracan is only expected to arrive at the end of 2024, so there's a good chance that the Huracan will have more time in the spotlight in the coming months.